Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about, can snake come through toilet? Before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow. Now, snakes can come through toilet, but they usually avoid those kind of places because that is not the favorite place for them. But if they're hiding around those kind of places where, and during the rainy season, especially during the monsoon season when it's raining outside, snakes can find that place and can also stay over there as long as the monsoon season is over there. And during that period, they can come through the toilet to escape from the overflowing of water or to just get inside to hunt something. They may not even know exactly where that leads to, but since they can crawl so well, they can actually start to climb through the pipeline and through the drains and then can eventually end up through the toilet. Now, this has occurred with me also a few times, and it's really scary because in the morning I woke up and I just saw that the snake was right in the washroom, and the snake just came into the toilet from the I think from the place where the commode was, and then the uh, snakes were staying there trying to move out from that place. However, it was trapped over there, but we had to do a lot of things to get rid of the snake during that time. I mean, we didn't kill the snake, but we have to use phenyl and then other kind of powders to just scare the snake. And the snakes also started attacking us because he was scared, because we have started using some chemicals that agitated the snake. But eventually, once we used the chemical and shut the door off, the snakes eventually went up to the drains. But it can also happen with you. They don't usually do that. This is not a very common phenomenon in everyone's house, but it can happen. Now, if this is only applicable to those houses that are not multi-storied, because if a multi-storied building, they don't usually do that, because the first drainage system is really complex, and the second thing is they have to climb a lot, and they cannot do that. If they are doing it from the outside, they might be able to still do it, but from the inside through the drains, they can't do that. Now, snakes can climb through even 2 to 3 storied buildings. Climbing through the pipes is possible for the snake, but climbing inside through the pipe is definitely not possible for the snake. So the snake usually can climb through grabbing the pipes and then can reach the second or third floor, but they still prefer not to do that because, of course, now there is a lot of factors over here where snakes go from one place to another for hunting, and why snakes avoid certain places. Now, it depends completely upon where the snakes can sense their prey. Now, for example, if the snake somehow smells or senses that there can be a lot of food, especially by that I mean rats or any kind of infestation inside your house, then the snake might try to get in. Now, if you have a basement house where you have, if you have a basement in your house, then the snakes can actually come in through that also, because that can be also be a really good place to enter your house. If their drains are connected to your basements, then of course that is really possible. And because that place is also not often touched, snakes can be staying over there for quite some time. You may not even be aware of that. So this can actually happen. Snakes can do that, but they usually don't do that because they can get the food up in the wild. Why do so struggle and take risks when they can get the food? But as I mentioned in the part of the video, that the snakes can get inside through the drains if the water is overflowing. For example, if they have a nest around the place of the drain, and certainly during the monsoon season, the water starts getting in and the nest starts to overflow now. Now, at that time, the snakes will try to get out and get to a place. And during that time, their most common place would be to go through the drains, because the water won't be reaching it so easily. If they find that there's a more comfortable place, they can try to get through that. And if you're living in a place where you're living in the ground floor of your any flat or anywhere, and in those kind of places, it's better to keep your especially the commode and your drains closed off during the monsoon season, because the risk is much higher in the ground floor compared to any other floor. So it's definitely, you should take some precautions so the snakes cannot get in. They might be able to get through the drains, but they won't be able to enter your house if you can actually close the openings of the drains and your commode. And in that way, you will be able to keep yourself safe. Now, normally a snake avoids humans because they know that there can be a lot of risk But if they get inside your house and they can come close to you, they will attack the human, because of course they want to defend themselves. And the moment they feel threatened, they will try to get away from that place. But the problem over here is that if the place are enclosed and if the snakes have entered it, and if you after that you close the place, the snakes might not able to get out and can get even more agitated. So if the snake somehow enters through your house, and let's assume they have entered from your bathroom, and then during that time you can actually open the entrance to the drain so that the snakes can go away. Just have to let the snake be over there and don't disturb it. Keep some distance from the snake, of course, because you don't want to get bitten by the snake. So just keep your distance and let the snake go away on their own. In that way the snakes can go away. Along with that, you can also use chemicals to just change its path so that it doesn't enter your house and try to hide over there. You can then just use a phenyl or any kind of strong chemical that has a strong smell, and that will just repel the snake, and they will go around through the place of the drains, and they will go away from your house. Because there are also other chemicals like bleaching powder that also works really well, and that can also keep the snakes away. Now during the monsoon season, you can actually wash your bathroom with the bleaching powder, because doing so will actually protect your stop the snake infestation from happening in the first place, because the smell of the bleaching powder will actually repel the snake. And if the snake is hiding around in your drains also, they will try to run away from that place because of the smell of the bleaching powder. So it's important that you take few steps, and yes, definitely the snakes can definitely enter through the drains if they get the opening. And you should keep your drains closed especially during the monsoon season, or if you have extreme infestation of snakes in your area. If there is too many snakes living in your area, then this can also be a common phenomena, because this can happen, and it doesn't occur as often as people think, but it does occur, and especially during the monsoon season. Because I have personal experience, this can be really scary. So make sure to keep yourself protected and the snakes, if you can protect the snake, and if you want to protect the snake, this is also a better option to just close the drains, because of course they won't be able to get inside your house, they won't confront you, and there won't be any kind of confrontation. So the snakes will also be able to be safe around this place, and you will also be safe in your own place. So that's it for this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that you can receive updates about my videos. Thank you.